Alright, so I got this older F-150. A lot of people ask how to train the tires. We just put a tire sensor in this. There's a certain procedure, and I use this little tire trainer. Nothing crazy. We'll do a little quick how-to. So in the vehicle, you pump the brake once and then off, then key on and off 3 times, ending in on. 1, 2, 3, ending in on. Pump the brake again and then off and on 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you heard it honk. Leave the key in the on position. I usually go to the right front. Some people start at the left. Right front. There's 1. Two. So this is the old style. The band is actually around the wheel. So the reason I'm going all the way around the tire is you never know where the sensor is going to be. Alright, there it is. And go back in here and key off. And start it. Alright, so there you can see the tire light is off. Alright, so that was it. Pump the brake, key off to on 3 times, ending in on. Pump the brake again, key off to on 3 times, ending in on. You'll hear the horn chirp and start changing the tires after that. And this particular little tire sensor trainer you can get from Amazon. It basically puts off some type of RF frequency that communicates with the tire sensor and causes it to do its thing. These are available on Amazon, I think, for like $48. I might even put the link to this in this video. Alright guys, have a good one. God bless America. Peace out.